We're doing constant and power derivative rules. A derivative is an equation that models the slopes of all tangents along a function. To differentiate or derive is to find the derivative.
The derivative is written as f prime of x. You may also see it as y prime or dy over dx. For the function ax to the n, the derivative f prime of x is n times ax to the n minus 1.
This means the derivative of a constant is always 0. So for the function f of x equals 2, f prime of x equals 0.
When there is a variable in the function, you multiply the coefficient by the exponent and subtract 1 from the exponent. So for the function f of x equals 3x squared, f prime of x equals 6x.
If you have a longer polynomial, simply derive each term and add them all together.
For f of x equals 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 5, f prime of x equals 6x squared plus 8x plus 3.
You can take multiple derivatives of a function. If f prime of x is the first derivative, f double prime of x is the second derivative, f triple prime of x is the third derivative, and so on. Once you get past the third derivative, it's written as f to the n of x, where n is the number of the derivative. So the fourth derivative would be written as f to the 4x.
For f prime of x equals 6x squared plus 8x plus 3, this gives the slope of the original function f of x as well as the maximums and minimums. F double prime of x would be 12x plus 8, which would give the slope of f prime of x and the concavities of the original function f of x. F triple prime of x would equal 12. The third derivative is also called the jerk. Each derivative gives the slope of the function before it. F to the 4 of x would equal 0. You can use the derivative to find the tangent or normal lines of a function at a certain point. A tangent line is a line that touches the function at one point only. A normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line.
Given f of x equals x cubed minus 2x, find the slopes of the tangents on f of x at x equals negative 2. First, find the derivative of f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 2. Plug x equals negative 2 into the original function f of x to find the y-coordinate. Then plug the coordinate points and the slope into point-slope formula to find the tangent line. To find the normal line, just take the negative reciprocal of the slope you found earlier and plug it into point-slope formula.
Differentiability is whether or not you can take a derivative at a certain point. A derivative fails to exist at a certain point under 3 conditions. First, if there is a discontinuity. Second, if there is a sharp corner or cusp. And third, if there is a vertical tangent line.
So that about wraps up this lesson.
Just about.
We hope this video helped you.